This is my view, guys. This is my freaking view. Like, what the hell? New apartment, who this? New apartment, who this? New apartment, new apartment. Ooh.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo.
Good morning, guys. I'm literally so excited. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm super excited. I'm about to get the keys for my apartment. I've literally been shaking all morning and super excited. I haven't really been able to record. Then I just realized I have to be recording because I need content for you guys. But here we are. It's moving day and I'm like literally so hype. I got up with good energy. I'm very excited, super excited. And this is the beginning of a new journey. Can't wait to show you guys the apartment. See you guys in a little bit. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna cry. Like, this is my freaking view. Can you guys see this? Lighting, like, I know like my last apartment, the lighting was like horrible, and I promised to myself the next place I go to has to have amazing lighting, and here we are. This is me, this is mine, like this, look at that, like this is mine. So I'm gonna take you guys around, show you guys a little bit. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody here to record me. I would have loved to be in the picture, but one of my friends is coming around soon and my cousin might be here too, so I'll probably get somebody to help me record myself. I'm so excited. I literally woke up this morning and I was like, today's gonna be a good day. This lighting is making me even more excited. But yeah, not to like wash you guys up with too much excitement, but let me go ahead and give you guys a tour. The guy that's here to set up my internet is here. So I need to show you guys real quick before he comes back, because I think he said he went to look for like the fiber or something of that sort. I didn't really understand. And what? Fiber. What is that? Nevertheless, I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. I wish I could show you guys like all the amenities my apartment has, but I can't, because like, you know, that'll be showing you guys too much and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of keep it on a minimum. All right, let's go. All right, this is us. This is the door. Once you get in, I'm gonna start the tour. So, that's my door right there once you come in. That's the kitchen. I'm gonna move back for you guys. That's the kitchen over there. That's a door, that's the kitchen, that's a room. On this side, you have this. The layout of my apartment is gonna make this tour very easy for me. Right there, so that's the door right there, that's a laundry room. So we're gonna start from there. I have a whole laundry room, guys. Crazy. All right, this is my laundry room. I want you guys to see everything fully. And the ceiling, ceilings are so tall, so it's kind of hard for me to capture everything. But look at that. All for me. Look at all of that space. I have like God knows how many luggages, so that's amazing. And then come in so you guys can see. That's all the way up there. Come back down so you can see again. But anyways, this over here. Sorry, this video could be better, I know, but at least I want to show you guys. And this from the laundry room, and you go out once again. That's the main door, and this is my kitchen. Now we just left the laundry room from over there. This is my kitchen. I want to give you guys like an overview of what the kitchen looks like. Okay, and then we'll start getting closer. There's my fridge. I don't know if you guys really want me to go ahead and open up the drawers and stuff. I think that's kind of unnecessary. But I'll open up a few just so, like, you know, you can see. One of the coolest things that I like about this apartment, look at that. Look at it. It's a soft close. Amazing. And this isn't a brand new apartment complex, so I'm the first person using my apartment. All of my appliances. My sink is so deep. I like that. And then look at this black backsplash. So cute. And the countertops, I die for them. So beautiful. Only problem I have is I don't have enough pantry space because this is supposed to be my pantry, basically. And that's not doing it for me, but we're gonna make it work. More drawers. Let me open these up because I see people opening these up in their videos. I'm not sure what this is supposed to do to anybody, but hey, in case anybody wanted to see what it looks like. Yeah, everything is so tall, so it's kind of hard for me, and I'm short as well, but there you go. I'll stand behind so you can see it. That's what it looks like. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you guys my living room. Let's turn around. And there we go. And the lighting is getting poor and shitty right now, but this is my living room. It's literally so huge. I freaking love it. I freaking love my view. Yeah. And I have my own bar. Look, I don't have to buy a bar cart or anything. I have a wine cooler. So freaking cool. Ooh, have a wine cooler. I should probably put my wine in there. Actually, I'll do that later. But I have a wine cooler. And then probably store like whatever I have to store in there. I don't know. But yeah, this is my view. So exciting. All right, and then I wanna give you guys a proper living room tour. This is hard. Okay, there we go. This is basically my living room. So freaking big. I don't know how I'm gonna fill up all of this space. Anywho, this right here is my second bedroom, which is meant to be a guest bedroom, but of course I'm gonna use it as an office, a closet, a guest room, and the list goes on. I practically have to use it for everything. So that's that. Okay. And then I have a closet in there. Okay, not the biggest closet, but I'm not worried about closet space because this whole room is gonna be a closet. So not too worried about it. And sorry, that's my jacket. I just dropped it in there. But I love the closet though. I'm not mad at it at all. It's a good amount of space for me to put stuff. Let me step from back so you guys can visualize that. Bro, the building, the ceilings are so tall. Like, it's kind of hard. It's so hard for me to capture anything. And yeah, all right. Let's go back. Hey there. This is the guest bathroom. Okay, once again, told y'all this is too tall for me. Look at these countertops. This is so beautiful. This is like one of my favorite things about the apartment. I have space under there. I have space right here. That's the toilet seat. And this is the bathtub. Here we go. And that's it for the bathroom. Once again, we're going through my living room. And oh, I have this little space here. I need to use this very well. I kind of want to do like an art wall over there, but I'll see how that goes. And then I have this space here as well. Thinking of putting like a really huge mirror there. Haven't decided yet. We'll see how that goes. And on to the master's bedroom, to my bedroom. This is my bedroom. And look at my view. Oh my goodness, it's the view for me. It's the freaking view for me. Okay. And then my bathroom. Let's walk in. So this is my bathroom. It's definitely much bigger than the previous one. That's what you see when you get in. And that. Okay. And then you have the toilet space over here. Then back here. Hey guys. It's the lighting and the view and just everything for me. And yeah, these are my sinks. I like how deep the sinks are. I really appreciate that. All right. And then my closet. So I really wanted a bigger closet, but I'm not mad about it because my second room is gonna be my closet. So that's the only reason why like I'm kind of okay with the closet being this small. Even though it's funny, I'm calling this small, but this is a lot of space. It's just I want like one big walk-in, ouch, a walk-in closet with lots of room. But this will do. The guy to do my internet is here, so that's why that's over there.
This movement, right? They were like, hey, welcome home type deal. And a lot of people were going the guns.
But that's my closet. Ooh. All right, guys. I hope you guys can see me. I have to do this. I don't know how to say this. I'm super excited. I'm very grateful. I'm so happy. And I don't want to make a speech because it's not necessary, but this was on my vision board from like 2 years ago, and here I am. I'm here right now, and I'm literally living my freaking best life, and I'm super excited, and I'm honestly I'm happy to be living in the moment. I'm grateful. Obviously, I'm grateful to God for a fact, foremost, because without God, I wouldn't be here today. But you know what? I said I wasn't gonna ramble too much, so I'm not gonna do it. I made sure to wear makeup so I don't cry, because I'm so emotional right now. I'm so excited, and I'm just happy. I literally did this for myself. I did this, and I couldn't be any happier. So we in here. 2022 is gonna be a beautiful year. I better push out more content for you guys. Consistency. 2022. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
I want